For over 20 years, Eastern Shore Coffee and Water has been providing the finest coffees and related products to restaurants, hotels, and convenience stores all across the Delmarva Peninsula. We are a locally owned and operated company, priding ourselves on both professionalism and expertise. Whether you are a restaurant offering a white tablecloth experience or a diner offering the finest in home cooking, we have the products, equipment, and service to satisfy any taste and experience. Our hospitality programs will make your customer stay a memorable one. From the first cup of in-room coffee in the morning to a fully stocked breakfast bar in the lobby, Eastern Shore Coffee and Water is here to set your property apart. Regularly scheduled deliveries and 24/7 service capabilities are all part of ensuring your property runs at full capacity. Looking to take advantage of the dramatic rise in popularity of gourmet coffee? We have a full-service program to get you up and running. We offer world-class espresso programs featuring equipment from Nuova Seminelli, along with support from factory-trained technicians. Try our gourmet micro-roaster offerings, or our full line of supporting products, including syrups, chai, frappuccino, smoothies, and more. Eastern Shore Coffee can be your one-stop shop for all your gourmet coffee needs. We have watched the convenience store business change dramatically over the past 20 years. Full-service marketing support, as well as innovative new options like bean-to-cup equipment, make your store the #1 choice for your customers' daily coffee fix. The folks here at Eastern Shore Coffee and Water take great pride in seeing the success of our customers. Our hometown approach, coupled with a wide array of products at competitive prices, professionally trained service technicians, and regularly scheduled deliveries with no minimums, are all part of the Shore Good coffee experience here at Eastern Shore Coffee and Water.